Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the dollar definitely is taking the U.S. election so far as negative for the dollar, which is positive for the dollar pairs. And we haven't technically broken structure yet, but I mean most of the other dollar pairs have broken structure. So I assume that this is likely a 1, a 2, and I think it's potentially going to keep on going up, making a 3, a 4, and a 5. Once we get that break of structure, I definitely will turn into a buyer. I haven't traded this one to the long side yet, but I am definitely trading some of the other dollar pairs that have already broken structure, like the euro dollar, the dollar CAD, and the dollar Swiss. So yeah, once I'm waiting for a break of structure, once that happens, I'm definitely going to become a buyer at the end of every single pullback I see. But it is very early. It's only about 1:30 Eastern Standard Time in New York right now. And there is not any results yet for the electoral votes, so there's really no results for the presidential race. But this is definitely going to cause some volatility. The U.S. Eastern Standard Time is going to close around 7 to 8 p.m. So between 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to start seeing who's going to win some of these East Coast states. So definitely expect to see some volatility this evening. If you are in, Europe or the UK or anything like that, it's going to be the middle of the night, at least 1 a.m. or more before they even know who is even remotely going to win the presidential race. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.